In this session, let us learn about Matplotlib bars, creating bars. With pyplot, you can use the bar function to draw bar graphs. Draw 4 bars. See, by using bar function, plot xy bar. See here, 4 bars were created. The bar function takes arguments that describe the layout of the bars. The categories and their values represented by the first and second arguments as arrays. See here, by creating this array, by creating this code, the result returns this 2 bars, apples and bananas were drawn. Horizontal bars. If you want the bars to be displayed horizontally instead of vertically, use the barh function, bar function. See here, by using plt.barh function, see the bars were drawn horizontally. Bar color. The bar and bar takes the keyword argument color to set the color of the bars. See here, by using plt bar xy color is equal red. See, the bars change to red. Color names. You can use any of the 140 support color names. See, draw 4 hot pink bars. See here, we are using hot pink. See, the bars were printed pink. Color hex. We can also use hexadecimal color values. See here, the hash 4CAF50, the green colors were printed. Bar width. The bar takes the keyword argument width to set the width of the bars. See here, we are having width 0.1. See, the bars are printed 0.1 size. The default width value is 0.8. For horizontal bars, use height instead of width. Bar height. Bar h takes the keyword argument height to set the height of the bars. Draw 4 very thin bars. See here, by using bar h function 0.1, the bars drawn horizontally. The default height value is 0.8. Okay friends, this is the end of part 10 Matplotlib bars. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Matplotlib histograms. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.